Assalamualaikum to all of you and welcome back to the fourth and final episode of the From Scratch series season 2 on my Digital Makers YouTube channel. This is the SD from the SDChannel and hope you guys have enjoyed the season 2 as for season 1 as well. And not to forget the grand giveaway for this season, and I'll be announcing and talking more about that right at the end of this video. In this video, all I'm going to do is just basically recap whatever that we have learned in the previous episodes. So episode 1 we designed the app, episode 2 we put all the items that we need into the app that we did using Thunkable.com, and the third episode was to actually code the app with just basic drag and drop blocks of coding. So for this episode, for the fourth episode, it's going to be very simple. So semua yang saya akan buat adalah just talk about some icons, for your app and how you can publish your app if you want to become a professional app developer. So for the icon part, when it comes to the app development, you have to make sure you make your very own icon. You can use softwares like Paint, prepared by Microsoft, or you can use other softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and so on. So I would recommend doing your very own icon if you are trying to be a professional app developer, because you don't want to face legal issues because you steal other people's icons. So an icon is supposed to represent like a logo. It should be simple, easy to communicate with your user what you're trying to say. Like for example, the WhatsApp icon is just basic bubble, chat bubble. So that shows that it's a chat app. So when it comes to publishing your own app, you have three main platforms that you can use to publish: the Apple Store or the App Store, Google Play Store, and the new Huawei App Gallery. So firstly, we have the App Store, also known as the Apple Store, where you get to publish your apps. So first thing when it comes to app development and publishing, it's just simple verification process to make sure you're a real human, not some robot, that kind of stuff. They'll ask for your identification ID, that kind of stuff. And for App Store, you have to pay $99 per year. So every single year you have to keep paying $99 depending on that current currency exchange rates. So for now, $99 is equal to about 414 ringgit and a few cents. So secondly, we have the Google Play Store, where you can upload your app with basic verification process, and it only costs you about $25, which is equal to 104 ringgit plus around that, depending on the currency exchange rate now. So thirdly, we have the Huawei App Gallery, where you get to post your apps in it, and it's quite detailed in the verification process. You have to take a photo of your ID and your bank card, but it's worth it because you don't have to pay any money at all. You just have to wait for a while for the verification process to finish. So yes, that's basically it. We've completed the whole app development process, very basic app development. I've showed you how to make your very own BMI calculator, and saya menerangkan macam mana nak publish app tersebut kat Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and the Huawei App Gallery. So now for the main thing, we're going to talk about the giveaway, the grand giveaway for the whole season, which covers the entire season. And it's quite easy. All you have to do is just follow the steps of my episode 1, 2, 3, and the fourth episode. Just watch all the episodes. Make your very own app using Thunkable.com and take a short video of you making the app and post it in your Facebook or Instagram account. I'll show you an example video of how the video of your submission should be. And second thing is, make sure you follow the SDChannel and MYDIGITALMAKER on Facebook and Instagram. So whenever you post your submission, all you have to do, make sure you tag both of us, the SDChannel and MYDIGITALMAKER. So I'll show you an example how to make a submission video. First thing, you have to introduce yourself. Like for example, my name is DSD, and you have to introduce your app, whatever your app name is. For example, my app is the BMI calculator, and what it does is basically calculates your BMI when you key in the weight and the height, and it calculates your BMI for you. you have to create an app based on your very own creativity. You can use calculation based apps like the BMI calculator or some other things. You have to be curious, research on your own. If you have any problems while doing the app, you can hit me up. And if you guys have forgotten what was the grand prize for this giveaway, it's basically 2000 ringgit. Let me repeat again. It's 2000 ringgit worth of, I just can't believe it's 2000 ringgit. So it's 2000 ringgit worth of Lego Mindstorm set. It's basically a robotic set where you can use it for different purposes, and hence it's worth 2000 ringgit. So if you love Lego Mindstorm, making stuff, and you wanted to buy one and it's obviously expensive, it's 2000 ringgit, and MYDIGITALMAKER wants to give it to you guys just for a simple and free app development process. So if you have any problems while doing the app, feel free to hit me up. This is my social media accounts and I'll be there to help you guys. And not to forget, we still have one more VR box left to be given away. If you're interested in having your very own VR box to experience VR tech, feel free to join this giveaway. All you have to do is simple. Just go to the comment section down below and just type, why do you think VR box is cool? So say VR box is cool because of 3D experience and stuff. We've had some interesting comments previously for the first 3 giveaways, and I'm looking for much better comments for this giveaway. So I'm excited. So that's all for this episode and this season. If you're looking forward for more awesome contents, feel free to follow us on our social media accounts, MYDIGITALMAKER and the SDChannel. And also, I'm excited to see who's going to be winning the 2000 ringgit worth of Lego Mindstorm set.